in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Bluetooth keyboard to your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select Bluetooth and devices. And then on the right side, you want to go and select versus devices, add device. Select Bluetooth at the top, and then make sure your keyboard is discoverable to your network as well as turned on, and as well as powered up as well, so make sure the batteries are good. And then you just follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.